I'm Sally Sloth. Join me and my creator Joe Dawson on a magical journey. We're on our way to Costa Rica to meet some very special sloths, just like me.
Hey Joe, so tell us, where are we off to?
We're off to the Sloth Sanctuary in Costa Rica.
Why are sloths so special to you?
I love how serene and peaceful and smiley they are. I guess it might change when I meet them. They might call me to death. But we'll see in about half an hour. We're on our way there now.
It's pretty exciting.
It is exciting. I can't wait. Sloth Sanctuary in Costa Rica finally, after 7 years of wanting to be here. I'm going to actually meet the sloths for the first time in the fur.
Welcome to the Sloth Sanctuary. Come inside and meet my friends.
Let's go!
That's fine. Now see, that's a very normal, natural movement, and that will not attract any predator.
Thank you for joining me at the world's only sloth orphanage. Jo Dawson told me she loved every minute of meeting her furry friends, especially when she was given the very rare honour of holding Buttercup. If you want to help save sloths like me, just buy my book, Sally Sloth Saves the Day. Visit me at sallysloth.com for more details. Thank you.